everybody. We gotta get out of here. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you guys already see the title, probably the thumbnail as well. We're going to be carving some pumpkins today, doing a little Halloween special for you guys, flashing the flame tune back on my F80 M3, and we're going to attempt to try to shoot some flames through the pumpkins. Hopefully everything goes as planned. This should be a fun video. You guys have probably seen like the Mustang shooting a continuous flame through the pumpkins, and probably a couple other cars on Instagram as well. I thought I'd join in on this trend and, you know, see what we can do. I obviously don't have the continuous flames like the Mustangs do, but we'll see what we can do. But yeah, let's get into this one. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, and now let's get into this video. Here is the F80 M3 all cleaned up. Thought I'd make this video given that Halloween is tomorrow, and I'll probably drop this video as well on Halloween, so let's just consider this a Halloween special. We have one pumpkin, we have two pumpkins, and we have three pumpkins total. We actually got gifted these pumpkins from my gym. We did an event over the weekend, and they actually had a bunch of pumpkins laying around, and the owner said we could take it. Little did they know we're actually going to be shooting a flame through these things if all goes well. I've actually never carved a pumpkin in my life before, as hard as that is to believe, but we are going to do our best with the tools that we have here at home and in the garage. But the goal is essentially to, you know, just carve a typical pumpkin face into both of these pumpkins, and then we're going to cut a pretty big hole out through the backside of each, and that will allow the flame to go through the pumpkin and then outside the front of the face, if all goes well. I'm probably gonna say that a bunch of times in this video. If all goes well, my F80 M3 will shoot flames through these pumpkins. I think it'll make for a very entertaining video for you guys, and then later we'll probably try to shoot some reels as well to post on Instagram. Again, hopefully, you know, the video comes through, the flames go through, but you and I will find out a little later in this video. But yeah, I'm going to quickly Google how to carve a pumpkin without the little tools that you buy from the store, and then I will give you guys another update a little later. But happy Halloween, everybody. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I hope you guys enjoy this one. It's Sunday, your boy's watching football. But yeah, I have my handy dandy serrated pink knife. This thing has done wonders for me and a lot of DIYs at home. So first I think I'm gonna, you know, Sharpie where I'm gonna cut, use this to do as much as I can, and then we're going to hollow it out, you know, with whatever tools that I can find in the kitchen. But I'll give you guys another update in a little bit.
A few moments later.
Alright, coming back with another update for you guys. This is actually not as bad as I thought. You guys can see right there, the pumpkin is hollowed out, and so is this one. We're just gonna do some last minute cleanup. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're probably gonna throw these out after Halloween anyway, so definitely making a mess, but overall not too bad. The next thing that we have to do is draw a face for the flames to come out of, and then we're gonna see what we can actually like put these on so they're the same level as the exhaust tips. So I'll give you guys another update in just a little bit. All right, update number 2. We have one face roughly carved out. Don't roast me on my pumpkin carving skills. They are definitely trash, but we are working on the second pumpkin now, and I just remembered I have a hole cutter from cutting a hole in my diffuser when we installed the Mad Max. So I'm just gonna plop 2 little holes right here, and that'll be the eyes for this pumpkin. We made another face right here. Again, don't judge me on my pumpkin carving skills. I know they suck. So next I'm gonna go ahead and carve a hole in the back, probably the same width as the exhaust tips themselves, the 2 of them lined up next to each other. And then that'll give us a ample opening for the flame to come straight through. And then the bottom will obviously be plugged right here with our original cutout. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these faces. All right, this should be the final update. The sun is going down, so can't miss our opportunity, of course. But we have, I think these are like 8-inch holes on the back that should fit the exhaust tips pretty well. Got one over here, one over there, and as you guys can see, it's a straight through to the smiley face that's carved out of both of them. A M flag. But yeah, next, before we head out, is I need to figure out what we're going to put these on top of so they are level with the exhaust tips. First thing that comes to mind is probably like a pot or pan, maybe a dumbbell, but I'll go ahead and do that off camera and then let you guys know what we come up with. All right, here is the setup. We have a 25-pound dumbbell with a 10-pound plate stacked on top, and you guys can see right here the pumpkin sits perfectly flat on those. And then we are going to basically make the pumpkins line up with the tips like so. And then we're going to shoot a flame away. So that is what it's gonna look like. Obviously it's gonna look cooler from behind. So let's go ahead, load up the pumpkins, flash the Flame Tune by F80 Paul, and then we are going to go meet up with F80 Danny at an undisclosed location to go film this video. Let's go. We are in the car now, as you guys can see. We are actually headed to F80 Danny's apartment, and we are going to, again, be filming this once the sun is fully down, and it'll be a little darker so you guys can actually see the flame itself. But yeah, this should be, I keep saying it, but this should be a fun one. These type of videos are always like the best, and also like the most rowdy and reckless, so stay tuned. Drop a like if you guys enjoy this type of content. This is something on the fly that I just decided, hey, let's go film a video for you guys. It's definitely for Halloween, and I think it'll make for great content on Instagram as well. I'm actually on the way to a photo spot near my house. I'm actually taking the automotive canvas of my car, and I'm going to be filming a reel for them with the canvas and my car, so you guys will probably see that on Instagram. I'll probably catch up with you guys when we get to that spot, show you the setup. But yeah, I'm going to try to do that before the sun goes fully down, and then we're going to swing over to Danny's and yeah, finish this video out. Some of you guys might have recognized this spot by my crib. I used to come here to shoot some pictures, but we're going to set the gimbal up. We're going to get a reel with the canvas, with this wall on the backdrop, with the sunset, and then we're gonna storm over to Danny's and fire up, literally fire up the pumpkins.
A few moments later.
Guess who's back on the vlog?
It's your boy.
You already know.
F80 Danny, also known as Uber Danny.
Alright, but we are posted up by Danny's apartment, but I didn't want to be a savage and point it towards like the apartment complexes, or there's a retirement home over there. So we're pointing it towards the highway. So hopefully this is going to be like a quick in and out video, and then we'll get the clip.
It's about to blow up some pumpkins.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, but Danny, what do you think? Fucking hilarious.
These are huge. Hey, you did a good job carving them.
Dude, I'm fucking laughing my ass off on those.
Hilarious.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna set up now, and then the next clips you guys probably will see will be
Flames.
kaboom, kaboom. Here we go. Alright. Danny and I almost have the camera set up. This is what you guys are gonna see. Fingers crossed, everything goes as planned.
Get it. No way. Look, it fucking blew.
Yo, no way. Yo.
Holy shit.
I should do a different angle, like straight back. Go before the fucking pumpkin melts.
Good?
Yep. Alright, take number 2. Here we go.
Send it.
We gotta get out of here, everybody. We gotta get out of here. Alright, we quickly rushed back to Danny's apartment because it was fucking loud.
As loud as can be.
Fucking hilarious, though.
The walls, I'm sure everyone here. Yeah. All the apartment buildings.
Oh my god, if the cops haven't been called yet, they're definitely gonna be called for sure. Yeah. That was insanely loud.
Yeah.
But yeah, you guys will see it on the clips to follow, or in the beginning of this video.
Yeah.
But that was insane. What do you think?
Crazy. Pumpkin bits flew just everywhere. They blew up.
We got clips on our phones, we got clips on our cameras,
Yeah,
so
we're
hopefully
good to
this
go.
turns out sick. You guys will definitely see it on the vlog, and then IG. Make sure you guys follow my boy F80 Danny
Stay
for
tuned.
always helping with the vlogs.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned. Big things coming.
Big things. Hey. I'll be back soon, guys. Trust me.
Hey, let's go. All right, but I'm gonna head out. We're gonna go home and edit this video. I think the pumpkin served its purpose, and yeah. See you on the gram.
Peace out.
All right, we are back in the garage again. Shout out to these 2 helpers today for making this video possible. They survived. We're actually gonna hang these up for Halloween tomorrow. So not only did we shoot flames through their faces, we are gonna repurpose them for Halloween tomorrow. So make sure you guys do me a favor, drop a like if you guys enjoyed this one. I had a blast filming this one. I hope you guys had a couple laughs as well. Shout out to F80 Danny for helping out with the vlogs as usual. Make sure you guys do me a favor, follow him on Instagram. This one was hilarious. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I sure as hell did. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, hit the bell notification, follow your boy on Instagram for some more content. I'm gonna be posting some reels of this as well, so make sure you guys follow me. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.